Teledoc was hot during the pandemic. Nobody doing telemedicine no more. If this breaks, we might want to be in here with the puts. Roku. I was like, well, if Netflix missed, Roku is in a similar boat. I think Roku goes lower. Okay, Splunk is one that continues to be a bad boy. I like this for a potential short. Probably can come at least down to 110. Docusign, here's another pandemic stock. The market wants to know where's the growth come from. They already paid you for the pandemic growth. Party days are over. I think the market's gonna pull back, so I'm not interested in looking for bullish trades. I think there's a few things we can look at to make potential money to the downside. I gave you a few that I believe will continue to pull back as early as this week. Wait for the right opportunity, for the right trade, and for the right pullback to put capital to work. That literally is a strategy. So never forget that. I'll see you guys on the next one.